Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for taste. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a creamy Tuscan salmon. We're going to just jump right into that video. So first you're going to lay your skinless fillets down on a cutting board, getting ready to season them with your basic seasoning. So I have sea salt here. You can use whatever salt you have at your house. Then you're going to move on to your black pepper. Now make sure this pan is hot while you're putting the olive oil on there. And then you lay your fillets flat, cooking them 3 minutes on each side. Just browning them. Yep, there you go. We are about to get ready to make that sauce. You turn the heat down a little bit and you put that tablespoon of butter in there. Garlic, always cook with garlic. If you don't, you should start. We're going to make the sauce thicker using flour. I use gluten-free, but you can use whatever you have at your house. Onions, I love cooking with onions and garlic. I feel like there's no other way to do it. There's your chicken broth. That is a half a cup of chicken broth. As you saw there, I was reducing the heat. Once your sauce looks like applesauce, we're going to add lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Yep, just like that. You're going to stir that in and getting ready to add your half and half. I make my half and half myself, and I just add almond milk and almond creamer. Bam, half and half, just like that, and it does not hurt your stomach. There I'm adding blue cheese. You don't have to add blue cheese, you can add parmesan if you don't like blue cheese. I'm going to also go ahead and clean up my area. Seasonings. I add additional seasonings, of course. I can definitely tell you what I use below. You're gonna let that simmer all together, let that cheese melt. Yes. Turn that heat down and add 4 cups of spinach. Now, everybody knows spinach looks like a diddly squat once you cook it. That's like half of the bag, and it's gonna look like 2 pieces. But you stir that all in together into the sauce. There you go. Like so. Okay. Once that's done, we are going to add those skinless salmon fillets. Yep, there we go. So the reason I cook the salmon fillets 3 minutes on each side is because I cook it another minute in the sauce. Then you take a spoon and you put the creamy sauce on top of the salmon, and voila, you're done. Bon appetit. I serve mine with potatoes. You can serve your creamy Tuscan salmon with rice or whatever starch you like.